Hi everyone, it's Mrs Parks. So good to be bringing you this update, which is that we are reopening after the partial closure on Monday the 8th of March. It'll be so good to see you all back as a school community together again. Parents, families and the children alike. The staff are so excited and we can't wait to be back together. Within this slide there is some information for you that allows you to just see how we plan to bring the children back in to school through drop-off points and also collection times, and how we're going to enable you to collect the children safely. Very similar to what we had run in the past in terms of systems and procedures, with our allocated waiting bays and also staggered drop-off and start times for your children. Both myself and the governing body have looked in detail at the information available to us at this time and included that in how we are going to move the school forward in bringing the whole school community back together. If you do have any questions after you have listened to this information, please get in contact with us. Please don't feel that any question isn't worth asking, because somebody else is probably thinking it too. So please get in touch with us and we'll be able to help you. In the meantime, in the next week or so, take care of yourself. I look forward to seeing you all on the 8th of March. It's been a long time and I can't wait for us all to be back together. Take care of yourselves. See you soon. Well, what a first half of the spring term it's been. Probably not the start of 2021 that we were expecting. However, we've got through it, and we look forward to March the 8th when we can all be together again. Home learning has been a real success here at Wren's Nest. It's been wonderful to see how much work has been going into the learning experience in the home. So a big well done to all of you, and a huge well done to all of the children that have been in school and that have needed places during this time. We've been really pleased with all of our children that have worked so hard in really difficult and challenging times. So we are very proud of you children, and we can't wait to see you all on March the 8th. To all of our parents and families, thank you for your ongoing support during the period of home learning. We do know how hard it is to homeschool children in the home, and there's many distractions when they want to be doing something different to the planned school day. If you've got younger children at home that need your attention too, and also if you've got work yourself, we understand how hard it can be. So we truly think you are some Wren's Nest stay-at-home heroes, and we can't thank you enough for your support during this time. It does mean the world to us, and we couldn't have got through it without you. So a big thank you and well done. So our plans for week beginning the Monday the 8th of March and also Monday the 15th of March. As you can see below, staggered drop-off and collection times for your children. When you're dropping off your child or collecting them, please can we ask it's only one parent or adult or no older siblings to attend if at all possible, and please wait in allocated bays. This will allow us to minimise the number of adults on the school premises at one time, and also allows us to keep everybody safe, yourselves and your families, your children included. Please wear a face covering. This is still part of the hands, face and space advice from Public Health England and the NHS. If you do come into the school office or the school building and you need to speak to a member of staff, please remember you must wear a face covering, and that helps us to keep the children safe. And please just remember to keep that safe distance on the playground, even with the year group that you're dropping off your child to or collecting them from, just to maintain that social distancing during this time. The senior leadership team and the learning mentor team will be on the drive to support you and answer your questions should you need us. But this way we're bringing everybody back into school safely, and look forward to the day that this happens. Then on weeks beginning Monday the 22nd of March and also Monday the 29th of March, you can see from this slide the drop-off and collection times. Collection times vary slightly, but the same principles apply in terms of the way we're keeping you safe during the drop-off and collection times. The spring term ends on Thursday the 1st of April, and this is our last day of the spring term. Just an update for you on Breakfast Club and our after school provision. At this time, and after much consideration and discussion with the governing body, due to our remaining concern regarding COVID-19 we as a school are not reintroducing breakfast club or after school clubs provisions at this time. However, as you know, during the autumn term and previous to that in the last academic year, we were providing free breakfast to all children at Wren's Nest, which means children are accessing breakfast club provision just in a very different way to what they would be used to. But every child is eligible for that. Thank you to Magic Breakfast again for supporting us with that, because that allows every child to access Magic Breakfast and also breakfast club provision free of charge. The decision to not provide breakfast club and after school club is so that children's time in school remains prioritised for them to have a great day of education, as we keep close contact time with each other to the necessary minimum. Because for me as head teacher, attending school every day is a necessity for us at Wren's Nest, and that is vitally important. Thank you for your understanding and support at this time around this. This will be under constant review with both myself and as head teacher and the governing body, and I of course will keep you updated if there are any changes. We are looking to review it after the Easter holiday and just keep it regularly reviewed at the moment, but prioritising that close contact time of the school day so that children can learn and make good progress. Just some updated information for you now, additional information for you. Please remember your child can bring a name bottled of water with them, water or flavoured water only, into school, so they have regular access to water. This just helps reduce the risk of sharing the drinking facilities. Your children are allowed to bring their school bags from home, that is permitted. They can bring their lunch boxes as normal, no changes there in terms of managing risk. An updated and detailed risk assessment is available for you to view on the website, and this just details how we are managing the children's safe return to school. And as I've said, this is available on our website. As always, we continue to run our open door approach at school, as this is really important to us, but we're just operating a very sensible approach to this, keeping a distance when talking to you, and there's space markings around school just to helping people, visitors to school, help manage safety measures in school. Please, as you have done right the way through this, bear with us. We've put all appropriate measures in place to ensure the safety of all, for our children, you as families and staff. As you already know, we do our very best to meet your needs and requests and plan to continue to do so. There just may be a little bit more of a wait at times than usual, so just try to bear with us on that, but we will get back to you and help you where we can. Please try your very best to collect your child on time, as stated within the plan. This supports us in maintaining safety for all during collection times. That is vitally important during this time where we're having to stagger start and finish times of the school day. As always, please stay connected, pass on any information you receive to people that you know who don't receive it, and Parent Hub and the school website are the best places to go to access the most up-to-date information. If you do have any questions or queries, big or small, please get in touch with us. Lots and lots of ways now for both families and children to get in touch with us. A number of ways to contact us here, but there are also the WhatsApp groups for work, and also if you need to drop off any work in school, you can do that through the post box, or you can email us, as I've said before. I know many of you may be concerned or worried about the next phase of the reopening following the national lockdown in terms of provisions around and about. All I can say and give you is my reassurance that I will do my utmost to be able to give your children the safe environment they need to flourish within their learning. Please know that, again, and I've said it right from the beginning of the start of this pandemic, nearly 12 months ago now, we are all in this together, and Wren's Nest is always here for you. You as a parent, you as a family, and for your child. We treat you all as one, and that's really important to me. So if you need us, or you have any questions, or you feel you need some additional support with anything, please get in touch and we will try and help you where we can. In the meantime, take care of yourselves. I will see you all on the 8th of March. Attendance from the 8th of March is really important. So we look forward to seeing you all then. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Lots of love.